likes pickles? I just wanted to see how many weird people there are in this school, because pickles are nasty. I like some honey though. So we're going to do a class conf and we're going to read off the people we need to come down and do it. Alright, so for the lightweight division, can I get Joseph Bolicelli and Tyler Mandarino down here, please? And for the light heavyweight, can we get Josh Kelly and Jake Gaff? Alright, and for the reigning independent heavyweight champs, can I get Kaz and Davey down here, please? And for the stylist for Kaz and Davey, can we get Jason Mendel and Kristen Wardinger? Alright, who's ready for a class comp? Alright, let me tell you guys how this is going to go down. Basically, you have 60 seconds to make it look like you walked outside and Chris has gotten your hair because it's negative 50 degrees outside. Okay? The best hairstyle wins. Okay?
Oh, we're going to have a good hair.
Alright, we're going to have 60 seconds. We're going to play some music. Is everyone ready?